In this video, I'm going to review Jeff Brown's brand new report, The Robotic Renaissance, How to Profit from Trump's 12 Trillion Manufacturing Revolution. This is a fascinating new report Jeff has just released, and what I'm going to do is going to give you a high-level review of it, give you a bit of the information so you understand what's in it. So if you want to join the near future report to read this fully, or join his near future report to get any of his AI picks, you can do. If you do want to join at any point during the video, I'll leave a link in the comments and description below. What I've done after I've reviewed this report, I'm going to show you around the members area to show you what you get, and at the end of the video I'll give you my final review of the service, having been a member since 2022. So let's get on with the video. So this was a fascinating report, and basically the AI industry is really heating up, and it's heating up because AI is going to come out of the digital realm with tools like ChatGPT and other AI sort of picture tools and voice tools and writing tools into the real world. And Jeff likes to call physical AI manifested AI, and we are on the brink of basically a new technological revolution, because basically what is happening is Elon Musk is basically going to release his Optimus AI robot. There's meant to be an announcement, I think, at the end of this month, which is July 2025, and basically once these things get released, they'll be put in factories all over the world. But that is kind of like where AI is going. But let's bring it back to why that really matters at the moment, and which is really at the heart of this report. So basically, Trump wants to completely reboot the US manufacturing industry. The problem is, at the moment, is over the past couple of decades, the US has basically lost its manufacturing heartland. It was basically the world's best manufacturer. Then China took over, and now the US sort of barely manufactures anything, and its exports or its imports are far more than its exports. So, but Trump wants to make the US great again and make the US the world's greatest manufacturer on the planet. However, there is a problem. There is only 13 million people or workers in the manufacturing industry, which isn't enough to basically reboot the manufacturing industry in the US. But this is where Elon Musk and his Optimus AI robot come in. So basically, between Trump and Elon, basically Trump is going to reboot the manufacturing industry using Elon's Optimus AI robots. And basically these Optimus AI robots are so advanced, use such advanced technology that basically, they're able to walk around factories with human and perform just the same task as human, if not to an even higher level, because they just don't get tired. These things are going to be incredible. And basically these, like I said, these Optimus AI robots are at the heart of Trump's plan to reboot the US manufacturing industry by, building factories across all sorts of sectors, buying loads of these Optimus AI robots, which are actually made by Tesla. Basically, having small teams of people manage hundreds, if not thousands, of these AI robots. And basically, when that happens, China isn't going to be able to compete with the US. And this is really at the heart of this report. It's Trump rebooting the US manufacturing industry using physical AI, manifested AI in the form of Elon and Tesla's Optimus AI robot. And basically that is really, it's basically a $12 trillion manufacturing revolution. And once this kicks off, there's going to be trillions of dollars on the table. And yeah, there's going to be huge opportunity for the small investors like you and I to basically buy into the company supporting this revolution. And that brings me on to the point. Jeff has given 2 picks on here about how to play it. Both of these picks have massive upside, and they basically, supply the tech and the silicon products needed in order to power this manufacturing revolution. Now, I can't give you these picks because they're for members only, but these 2 picks, once this revolution takes off, could skyrocket with outsized returns. So yeah, a fascinating report. I'm giving it 5 out of 5. I tell you what, once physical AI hits, it's going to absolutely dwarf what happened with ChatGPT. People are going to go crazy over it. And the interesting thing about this robotic revolution, once these robots are rolled out across industry, basically the price of these robots will come down, and eventually we'll find them into our own homes, and they'll become like our personal helpers. So this industry is huge. I think Morgan Stanley once predicted recently that there's going to be a need for at least 1 billion of these Optimus robots in the future. So the market for them is massive. It's a $25 trillion market. And basically Tesla and Elon are right at the forefront to profit. And Jeff has even talked about the Optimus robot in one of his other reports. So yeah, 5 out of 5, fascinating report. Huge opportunity if you're interested in tech and AI stocks. So with that said, let me walk you through the members area. So the main thing you get, or the first thing you get, is the issues and updates. This is where you get the monthly near future report, where Jeff basically goes into a specific theme, which he talks about, and then gives you an opportunity to invest in if you want. There's also buy and sell alerts and any interesting updates that you need to know. Next thing is the special reports. I've just reviewed one of them for you, which was this one, but there's loads of reports here, all containing absolute gold. The company behind the 100 trillion AI metal. The company here is a mining company that supplies and manufactures specialized metal needed for AI chips. You got the 25,000% secret weapon, the one-stop makes Tesla's robotic revolution possible. You got the biggest IPO of a decade, SpaceX. You got all of these different reports, all AI stocks basically, putting you basically at the forefront to profit from the AI boom that is happening and will only accelerate in the years ahead. You got the portfolio that's got all of the open positions, and you got a risk management section, where basically Jeff teaches you how to invest like a professional investor. You've got a video here, and you've got a whole write-up as well. So that is everything you get with the near future report. Now, just going to give you my final review of the service. So basically, I've been a member since 2022. I came in basically during the end of the crypto boom, or the last bull run. And basically, yeah, I love the service, especially since Jeff has gone heavily into AI in the past year. He's helped me, well, basically his near future report has helped me unpack the AI industry and found opportunities for what I would have never known of. And I'm now perfectly positioned to really make some really good profits off the AI boom over the next couple of years. So, yeah, I must admit, I think the near future report is the best AI and tech stock service out there. There is no better, better newsletter service out there that researches this, AI stocks and AI, the AI industry. So if that's what you're interested in and you want to get into it, I highly recommend the near future report. I actually rate the service 5 out of 5. I can't really fault it. It's reasonably priced for what you get. Yeah, what more can I say? It's a really, really good service. So if you want to join the Near Future Report, I'll leave a link in the comments and description below. I do believe the price to join at the moment, I could be wrong about this, is, I think it's $199 for the year. It's either $199 or $179. Sorry, I should have checked before I did the video. But yeah, it's between $199 $179. And basically that will lock your membership in for a whole year, plus you get a full 60-day money back guarantee as well. So you got nothing to lose and everything to gain. So if you want to join the Near Future Report and start reading Jeff's new reports and his monthly newsletter, I'll leave a link in the comment and description below for you to check out. That's what I've got for you. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.